attack on Hindus in Bangladesh. Hindu groups have staged protests at UN. They have staged protests at the UN headquarters in New York is what we're getting to know. We've been hearing about the reports about the attack on minorities, including Hindus in Bangladesh. And at that time, what we're getting to know is that Hindu groups have staged protests at UN, and there have been protests outside UN headquarters in New York. Sabyasachi remains live with us. Sabyasachi, we've been hearing about the attack on the minorities in Bangladesh, but now regarding that, several Hindu groups are staging protests in New York. Give us more details.
Well, absolutely. Several Hindu groups are protesting over the attacks that has been taking place in Bangladesh, how the Hindus have been targeted. The sympathizers of Sheikh Hasina government are being targeted. Several people have lost their life. Widespread violence is taking place. Women are being kidnapped. They are being raped. So these violence are being reported continuously from Bangladesh. In fact, the interim Prime Minister Mohammad Yusuf, while taking oath, he himself have confirmed over the violence that is taking place, because on one hand there were several reports which were downplaying the violence that is taking place in Bangladesh, calling it fake and false narrative that are being spread. But clearly when the interim Prime Minister himself had confirmed over the violence that is taking place, and on the visuals also we can see that how different Hindu temples are being targeted, women are being kidnapped, several people have been killed. So clearly at this particular time different minority groups are extending their protest at the UN. Now several Hindu groups have been gone out to protest against the violence that is taking place. Meanwhile, appeal has been made in from the interim government to maintain peace, but clearly all appeals are being going to deaf ears, because still now the violence is taking place in Bangladesh.
Absolutely, Sabyasachi, thank you for all these details. We'll keep coming back to you for more on this. This remains our top focus story, but with this we are heading to a really short break. We'll be right back with more news and updates. Stay with us.